Alright, once again, we see the main indices trying to recover even with the various signs of weakness we saw last week. And it seems that right now we are at a very curious turning point and everything depends on the direction of the next breakout. So in today's video, we're gonna point out the main turning points in the market in order to prepare for what's coming next. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, and remember, absolutely everything said here in this channel is based on technical evidence. No guesswork, no assumptions, no gut feelings. Everything here, every single idea is based on technical analysis, price action, statistics, etc. It is not even about my personal opinions, because sometimes you guys ask me, Nathan, what are your thoughts on that? What is your opinion on this? Guys, not even I care about my opinion. Everything that I care is technical evidence. All that I care is technical evidence, all right? So welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Now, as we can see here, SPY is still in a bull trend. Why? Because it is still making higher highs, higher lows. But Nathan, apparently we are correcting over here, all right? Yes, we are, but as long as we stay above our key support levels, we are gonna maintain the bullish bias. Just as Charles Dow, founder of the Wall Street Journal, creator of the Dow Jones Index, aka the father of technical analysis, just as Charles Dow said on his tenet number 6, I believe, trends persist until a clear reversal occurs. All right? Do we see a reversal right now? There is not a single bearish reversal chart structure on SPY yet. We may see pullback, yes we do, however, pullbacks are not reversals. Only if we lose our key support levels, we could possibly see a sharper correction, a reversal on the daily chart, and a pullback on the weekly chart, all right? But as long as we stay above our key support levels, the situation will remain under control. What are our key support levels? The 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average, along with 574, the previous top level, which did act as a support level for us over here on October 10. Therefore, only by losing this double support level, SPY could technically trigger a sharper correction, a midterm reversal on the daily chart. So far, we are still above these key points. The situation is still under control. The QQQ is also very bullish. We still see the pattern of higher highs, higher lows going on over here. As long as we stay above the 21-day EMA, the situation will be under control. The trend will remain very bullish. The most important resistance level for the QQQ right now is 498. We gotta break this key point in order to seek the all-time high again around 503. And we could even break the all-time high again if the momentum persists, all right? Therefore, 498 is our next major resistance level on the daily chart. Nathan, what if we lose the 21-day EMA? Then, all right, we're gonna enter bearish territory again. Our next technical support level will be 477. The previous bottom level over here from September, October 1st, now it is going to be our next major support level, all right? But right now, the 21-day EMA is simply dictating our trend, all right? We are still in bullish territory. And how this affects our stocks? Well, Nvidia is also in bullish territory. In fact, Nvidia is insanely bullish right now. We just did a new record high this morning, all right? And there is not a single top signal on Nvidia yet, all right? There isn't. There is. If we see a top signal, all right, if you ask me, any correction to our next technical support level could be just another buying opportunity. What is our major support level on Nvidia? The 21-day EMA, all right? It is a very important support level. It is pointing upwards. It is flying along with the price. So this key point is going to be our next major support level. I don't believe the 136 could work. And the 140 acts more like a short-term support level, all right, if you focus on the hourly or even a smaller time frame. But on the daily chart, the 21-day EMA, which by the way is very close to the 130, the $130 line, the previous resistance level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the past, 6 times in the past, and this key point has been acting as a support level for us 2 times over here. Therefore, the 130 area along the 21-day EMA, this key point is going to be a very, very important support level for Nvidia if a correction happens, if a correction materializes. So far, there is no top signal, so no pullback is about to occur. If we see a top signal, great, fantastic. I'm gonna warn you guys here in this channel, and by the way, consider subscribing this channel if you're still watching me, because I'm here every single day, unbiased analysis, focus on technical evidence, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Tesla, AMD, Palantir, NIO, Broadcom, SoFi, Micron, ARM, ASML, and many other stocks. So consider subscribing and click the like button to support me as well. Now, as we can see here, Tesla is also in a very delicate moment because unlike SPY, unlike QQQ, unlike Nvidia, this one is in bearish territory. We lost the 21-day EMA, all right? And this is a classic example of a reversal on the daily chart. If we see SPY losing the 21-day EMA, QQQ losing its own 21-day EMA, then we may see a sharper correction, a technical reversal on the daily chart. This is exactly what happened here on Tesla. What's more, Tesla also materialized a lower high, lower low. All right, a classic trait of a bearish reversal, of a bearish chart structure, and right now we are below the 21-day EMA, we are below many support levels like the 233. What's more, when we take a look at the 1-hour chart, we see the 21-hour EMA acting as a very reliable resistance level for Tesla. We tried to break it here again multiple times, right? And we have been trading consistently below this exponential moving average over here. So short-term speaking, we are bearish. There is no sign of recovery. There is not a single bottom signal in Tesla right now. On the bright side, we are about to report earnings tomorrow. So if we see Tesla jumping over here, we could retest our next technical support levels. I'm so sorry. If we see Tesla jumping, we are going to retest our next resistance levels, right? However, what if Tesla collapses over here? Our next technical support level is the $200. Could we get lower? Yes, we could. From a technical point of view, the most important support level on the weekly chart is 182. All right, we could seek this key point, especially if we lose the 21-week EMA, all right, because right now we are just dancing around the weekly moving average over here. If we see Tesla losing this key point, we're gonna enter bearish territory again on the weekly chart, long-term speaking, all right? So it is gonna be a very interesting moment for Tesla. It all depends on to which direction it is gonna explode next. And guys, you always ask me, Nathan, what kind of bottom signal are you waiting for? What kind of top signal could suggest a sharper correction, etc.? Guys, I teach you all the main reversal patterns and continuation patterns in my ebook on technical analysis, which is free and available for anyone to download on our educational project, the 5% project. Just take a look at our website for more information. Link in this video's description, all right? You can learn with me. You can learn in theory and in practice, because every single day I share my personal insights on our Telegram channel. I share many trading strategies over there which are performing insanely well, by the way. Therefore, just join the 5% project. It is free to test and claim your free ebook, which is gonna be yours forever. Link in the video's description. Now, AMD is this one. This one is very complicated because it is not only bearish, but today it is frustrating. Yesterday's bullish reaction. Yesterday we saw a hammer candlestick pattern. Fantastic. This is a classic bottom signal. But as I teach you guys on our ebook, just seeing one single bottom signal, it is not enough. We gotta see a bottom signal getting triggered in order to see a very clear, a crystal clear buy signal, all right? As long as we don't trigger a bottom signal, AMD will keep going down. Our next technical support level is 148, all right? No bullish reaction right now, no bottom signal triggered. The Palantir over here looks very interesting because this is a classic turning point as well. Just like SPY, just like the QQQ, they are both on a very curious turning point. We see Palantir on a curious turning point as well. Here, the main support level is for $40.36, which is very close to the 21-day EMA. If we lose this support level without making a new high, we would trigger a technical bearish pivot point, a lower high, lower low, reversing the midterm trend, triggering a long-term pullback on the weekly chart. Last week we see what seems to be a hanging man candlestick pattern, and however, this pattern over here is quite tricky, all right? Because although most people believe that it is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern, technical evidence suggests that it is a bullish continuation candlestick pattern more often than not, again, as I described in my ebook on technical analysis. So it is not a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. However, if we lose the $40.36, it is over, all right? We're gonna trigger, probably, most likely, we're gonna see a sharper pullback on the weekly chart. If we break the all-time high area, fantastic. Palantir will just trigger another bullish pivot point over here, higher highs, higher lows, the bull trend will just persist, all right? And this is the most likely scenario, all right? Because we need to see a crystal clear technical evidence suggesting a reversal, all right? So far, the trend is still bullish. It is easier to maintain the trend, all right? It is harder to reverse, so we need to see something telling us that Palantir will reverse. Therefore, $40.36 is gonna be our major support level right now. Meanwhile, we see NIO stock. If you ask me, I would be happier to see NIO around $4.97 because this key point is a technical support level, all right? A bullish reaction around a support level could be just another buying opportunity, but we couldn't hit the support level yet. We don't see a meaningful bottom signal here as well. I know today's candle and yesterday's candle, they are both bullish. However, they are not materializing any meaningful, impressive bullish reaction over here yet. Therefore, NIO seems to be just moving sideways on the 1 hour chart, and just like Tesla, the 21-hour EMA is acting as a resistance level for NIO. So we should watch out for these resistance levels and support levels over here in order to prepare ourselves for a next meaningful movement on NIO. And of course, I'll be here every single day. So again, subscribe, click the like button and join the 5% project in order to keep in touch with exclusive analysis, trading signals, etc. So just take a look at our website, link in the video's description. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.